Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's really early before I go to school. It's 7:45 and I'm going around the farm to see what nature I can find. And look at this, completely solid and frozen. So I live in England, in case you didn't know, and today it's going to be a high of 1 degree. Yeah, that's right, 1. So it's going to be freezing today. Oh, listen to that. The frost. It's lovely sound. Don't think we're going to find anything over here. So I'm going to go over to the stream like usual. But this time, I'm not going to stop my camera in case I see the kingfisher. Oh, there's a bird. No, a bird. Alright, I'm going to go this way. Let's hope that we see the kingfisher today. That's why I've come out early for it. Well, let's walk through this way. Oh. He's come over here. It's freezing. Look how satisfying that looks. We'll just sit here for the moment. Okay. There should be some birds here. Oh God. No. Alright. There used to be a mini bridge there. It got taken down because it was really, really unstable. And I'd fallen in the stream before from that, and that was not nice. Oh, and thanks guys for giving me very consistent views on all my shorts. It really helps me out. Yeah. Oh my God, is that all frozen? Oh my. Sorry about that. That is all frozen. It's now 7:50. I have to go back in 5 minutes if I want to make it to school on time. Oh, listen. Not sure what bird that is. I think in here there's a bird's nest. Well, it's not there right now. It's not there right now, is it? I heard something. I don't understand how all of that gets frozen, but this doesn't. Like, how does the stream not get frozen? I guess it has to get really cold to be frozen. I'm going to take a picture of this and I'll be back. Hey guys, sorry about that little break. I was just taking some pictures. I'll put them up on the screen now. Okay, now that you've seen those pictures, I'm coming over here. It's almost time. It's almost time for me to have to go back inside and leave to catch my bus to school. Because it's about 5 minutes away. My mum has to drive me before she goes to work. So let's just walk over here. That's an egret. I feel like that's the tree where the kingfisher lives. But I don't know. This feels so nice. It's so warm but wet. Oh god. So foggy. It's better. It's still quite foggy now. It's good enough. Alright. So it's been a good video, I think. We didn't see much today. Tomorrow I'm going to be waking up at about 6 o'clock to try and find all the nature. Another bird flying. Yeah. How about this week? I quickly go up to the sheep. I think I like that idea. Go up to the sheep. So we have sheep that way. They're actually someone is renting this field just here. And actually I need to go in now, but if I sprint, I should be able to see them. Oh no, they're all the way up. You can just about see them on camera, they're all the way up there. No, I'm not going all the way up there. At least not now. Tell you what, I will come down here 6:15 in the morning tomorrow, but also after school, when I come back, before I go to football, I'll go and see the sheep today, so you should be waiting for that video today. For now, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.